Well, kicking this cow and calf out. Weather is nice here in southwestern Indiana. Get her out so I can kick a couple cows out so they don't have to stay in the pen during the day. I'll lock them in at night. So that's the good as it gets. Bull calf out of a Here I Am cow. So that task is done. Well, it is a Thursday evening, and I'm actually on my way to south of Bloomington to breed a cow for some folks. So breeding season, I guess, has started for some, so this will be the first AI job of the year. I don't know that I'll film any of it, but that's where I'm headed tonight. Well, this morning I'm getting some hay out for the cows. I've rolled out one bale. I'm going to put 3 into bale feeders. This one, for some reason, came off the back of the tractor. So I'll get it, the net off and get it in one of the bale feeders. Then I'll go to the hay yard and grab a couple more. Well, I don't know whether you'll be able to see on the video or not, but I just wanted to show you some of the ruts that's being cut as this winter thaw goes out of the ground. I'm probably going to put the bucket on the tractor and try and smooth some of this out while it's halfway dry. So we shall see how that goes as I'm heading up to the hay yard. And as you can tell, I have to go through a gully or holler or whatever you want to call it, depending on where you're at in part of the country, to get to my hay yard. Instead of driving across the hay field, I can come in another way, but I prefer not to drive across my hay field. These 2 bales in the feeder, and then I'll come back and put 2 more on the tractor. I always like to have 2 extra on the tractor for the next time. Pretty simple process, really. It just takes time. Hey, good morning everyone on this brisk Sunday morning, March 2nd. It's 15 degrees out here in southwestern Indiana. Heading to the barn for morning chores, and calf number 18 was born sometime between 5 and 7. I checked the barn cameras around 5 and nothing was happening, but then at 7 there's a calf there. So anyway, we'll get a little video of the calf here in a second. Well, there's number 18. It is a bull calf. And this cow came from, she's actually a heifer, came from Stuart Angus. And she was sold in a crossroads collaboration. And that's the one that was born this morning sometime between 5 and 7. Calf is dried off, so, and it's been up. Here's the other cow, and this is a mature cow. I thought she would have calved by now. She's had discharge the last 2 or 3 days, so maybe today is the day that she'll calve. It seems like when a group starts, they all calve, but we'll see. She wanted out of the barn to the hay bale. I'm going to leave the barn door open. If she wants to go back in, she can. Well, first video that I showed you was this calf that was born this morning out of a heifer. And then probably an hour and a half later, she dropped this second calf. So first calf heifer has a set of twins. So I'm getting ready to dip the navel on this second calf and get it over here moved in a corner because it's a little chilly. Well, there's the twins, both up. You can see they're pretty small, so I'm sure they're out of the cleanup bull. And she's going to take them both, and she has a really big udder. Well, the twins have got their ear tags, and they're both up. Well, they were both up. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. And if you notice the new logo at the beginning and end of the video, that was from EK Brand and Collective. So thanks to Emma Wilson of them for preparing my new logo. Till next time, appreciate everybody watching.